Hi folks, it's Steve here. I'm going to take a little tour of this amazing circa 1870s Chance Brothers 6th order lighthouse lens, complete with its original oil lamp. We just finished the restoration on this and it turned out really nice. Thought I'd give you a quick tour of it. This has riser stanchions here that take it up off the base plate. There's a nest here for the Chance oil lamp. The segments on it are really nice. There's only a few minor chips in it. I'll spin it around so you can kind of get a better look at it. 270-degree lens. Here's the side that the keeper would operate it from and adjust the wick. There's your Chance Brothers maker's plate right there. Chance Brothers and Company Limited, near Birmingham, England. The oil burner does a great job. We've had it running. This does operate no leaks. It is a Sherwood font. The font, Duplex font, is a Sherwood. The whole lamp will lift up out of there. But the brass on it, beautiful. It's in outstanding condition. Really early 6 order. 6 orders are very rare, very hard to find. And this one just turned out beautifully, so just thought I'd give you a little visual on that one.